Things I Don't Regret Buying. Number 9, this book entitled Rich Dad Poor Dad. Don't work for money, make money work for you. Yan yung isa sa mga learnings dito sa book from Robert Kiyosaki. So backstory muna tayo, around 8 to 9 years ago, this is the very first book, self-help book, self-improvement book about personal finance, financial literacy. As mentioned nga no, sa previous videos ko, yung time na yon, ang nasa utak ko talaga or mindset ko is about money. How to earn more, how to improve, sa basically, paano kumita ng mas malaki. And this book helped me to become more financially aware. Ang dami ko ring natutunan dito. Baka yung ibang ideas or quotes na rinig mo na before. Make money work for you. Meron ding accounting principles dito. Assets, liabilities, tax. Meron din about it's not how much money you make, but how much you keep. Personally, naging big help tong book sa akin sa personal finance ko. And it helped my mindset. So kung gusto mong matuto more about sa pera, sa finance, sa management ng pera, I suggest you read this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad.